Halorga jingweng kamno yaga kongpi dalia toy kum ke Chairperson Jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women uba pol lengdo habai keran bat kilat pathai khubor ulai thu uba kum ka khli du Jong ka commission ka kongpi dalia toy hakine ki khat arsin shong jingelang Jong ka commission ketika Chairperson kam juan poi setia haki jingelang dag bai dau ba kam don hapdeng kemen ka bakoi ke bakhya ban nalor kata kala pun khenru ya ki kendon ke belakang persya ya ki Chairperson Jong ka commission ban sim benta hakino ki dong ki ransan jingelang Jong ka sengsan perthai ong uba pol lengdo Shushu uba pol ulong ru ba ubdan kanu jing shun shimet ya ka kong phi dalia toy henry ya ka rai ban weng ya ka na ka shuki kum ka Chairperson Jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women la shim hadin ba bishar ya ki file ke balwan poi ha ka mi jongu kum menteri Sorkar uber pe ya ka tanat social welfare jong ajelah ha ba kelipat lanu ka commission kan Thung ya ka Chairperson ka Bathymmai uba pol lengdo ulai thu balabu ya ka committee ka bakarpang bat nagaliang Jong ka committee kanwat ya ka Chairperson ka Bathymmai Jong ka Mscw uba pol ulai thu ru ba ki khot Jong ka tiga committee kindai ki officer Jong ka Sorkar badru ki principal Jong ki college kum ka women's college bat kaledikin college
on the matter of Thung see I hold her in America, but when you perform your duty as a minister, we all took the oath to exercise our power without fear or favor, affection or ill. Those are the words that we use. So I have to take a very objective decision. I've gone through the file. A major portion of her term, she was not turning up for important meetings. In fact, she had abstained from as many as 12 meetings of the commission. And there was also the case of her being linked to a political campaign. You all have video clips of that particular campaign. But here, even if you leave that aside, it is in fact mandatory that a person, once she takes over as chairman of the commission, she should stay away from active politics. 1. 2. She had abstained from as many as 12 important meetings and cited health reasons. So now which is more important? The one individual heading the commission or the fate of women in Meghalaya? So I had to take that decision based on whatever was available on the file, and there certainly is nothing, no personal animosity towards her, but I'm in a position where I have to take decisions. So this commission cannot. Now what we have done is we'll move into the next stage. I've already decided to constitute a search committee comprising of both officials and non-official members. The official members are important officials of the government of Meghalaya, and the non-official members are drawn from the colleges. For instance, principal of Women's College and Lady Dean's College.
Who will be the caretaker chairperson?
As of now, we want the search committee to complete its task fast. And however, if there is such a need for a stopgap arrangement, that will be considered.